Okay, so like I said, type in your ID number for the username and your ID number for the password and click sign in. Now yours will probably just have one test here, but you'll see your name in the top left corner and you'll select your math test. Okay, so let's see the options we have. So across the top here, you see it says color theme. If I use that button, I can change my background color or my text color to be to help my eyes be able to see them well. Next to that, you have speak options. So anywhere you see this head with the sound coming out of the mouth, you can click that and it will read it out loud for you. So let's listen to how it sounds now.
There are 34 cats and 15 dogs at the pet store. How many animals are at the pet store altogether?
Okay, so under speak options, I can change the volume. I can make it talk faster or slower, or I can change it to a male or female voice, whichever one. So I can change it and I can make it slower if I want to. Let's see how that sounds.
There are 34 cats and 15 dogs at the pet store. How many animals are at the pet store altogether?
So you have a lot of options with what you do with that. Okay, next to that, there's a zoom button. If you click that one, it'll make the text bigger for you. So zoom in, and then the other magnifying glass will zoom out and make it smaller again. Okay, continuing across the top, where it says add notes. If you want to add notes for yourself to remember later, you can do that here. Or if you want to leave notes for your teacher about what you knew or what you didn't know, you can do that here. So I might add that in this problem, I think I'm going to add the numbers. So I'm going to remind myself for later that I did 34 plus 15. Okay. And if I want to get rid of the note, delete it, I would just press that trash can. All right, if I want to cross off my answer choices, I can click this little button right here to eliminate answer choices. Or if I decided I made a mistake and I want to bring it back, I click on the same spot. All right, so I will select my answer. And to move to the next question, you can either press the number 2, or you can move over to the button that says next, and you move to the next question. Okay, so as soon as I'm ready to submit my test, when I'm done, I will hit review and submit. And it will tell me which ones are answered. It'll let me know if I have any that weren't answered, like number 2 I did not answer. And I can go back and fix that now. And then as soon as I'm ready, I will hit submit to score. And that's all there is to the tutorial for the test for your math test this week. I hope that was helpful, and good luck on your test.